When we talk about the phases, the principle of Six Sigma are actually executed through methodologies, or even I should say a roadmap to improvement like a workflow. So there are two main methodologies which are being used, that is DMAC and DMADV. When we say DMADV, which is pronounced as DUMA, focuses on optimizing new product or processes to Six Sigma standards. So let's here break down this acronym. When I talk about DMAC, this is used to improve the current capabilities of an existing processes. This is by far the most commonly used methodology of Six Sigma improvement teams, where the D is define the customer needs, requirements, and project goals. When we explore about the M, which is measure, the key aspect of the current process. According to McAdams, this is when you start to understand your process and collect data on it. Analyze the data, which is A. You really dig into what types of errors occurs and where they occur so you can target the big ones. It is always looking at the 80-20 rule. Let's see if we can find 20% of the reasons that give us 80% of the defects and let us reduce those. I, which is improve, improving the processes. Here you test and verify the improvement work, and followed by the control, which is control future implementation of the processes to ensure that errors can't creep in again. When we explore about the DMADV, which is teams are usually stated by the seniors, managers, and Six Sigma experts. So in the D state, we define the customer or a company goal. We measure the critical to quality, which is called characteristics that are critical, and measures product capabilities, production process capability, and risk. In the analyze state, we analyze the data from measurement, and D is where we design the new processes based on the analysis in the previous step. And finally V, which is verify the design through the pilot run, implement the new processes, and hands off to the process owner. When we talk about the element of Six Sigma methodology, you will see that we strongly use these 5 steps. And these 5 steps are preceding step 0, which is known as Six Sigma leadership. And that is why you will see the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control has a very important relevant in every stage by asking what is important, how are we going to do it, or how are we doing it, what is wrong, what needs to be done, and how do we guarantee performance.